All right, guys, I have to share with everybody one of the coolest updates they've done with QuickBooks Online Advanced. It's actually the new revenue streams that they're doing internally. When this first was released, that was a cool idea, but it just wasn't there yet. But in this video, we're going to show you how far they've come with it and all the cool things you do. So let's jump in and show you the new revenue streams capability with QuickBooks Online Advanced. So on the immediate dashboard here, you're going to very easily see revenue streams. Now, what I love about what they've done, they internally here, as soon as you click in to do filter, they have added on so many new features and options. I'm truly impressed. First off, I love the look of this pop-up menu. They did a great job. Aesthetically, it is easy to understand. It makes good sense. You can come in and you can actually choose how you want to evaluate the different revenue streams, whether it's by products, classes, locations, projects, by employees would be really interesting, customers, and even income accounts. More importantly, if you're trying to figure out how you should actually utilize this information, click on the top 3. Now it will pop up and automatically show you your top 3 that you could use. Now, if there was one thing I would still recommend, and there may be a way to do this, but as a colorblind accountant, we really need to do dynamic differences of colors here. As I look for my colorblind glasses, we need to do different colors here to really make the distinction, because it's probably just me. Everybody else can probably see it really well. I can't tell the difference. But I really love the fact, top performers, I can go to classes. I'm going to go top 3 again just because I don't think I'm using classes on this one though. There we go. So you'd be able to have it pop up, show you the information, come through here, choose year to date. You can do it for this month, different days, come back to filter. I want to see employees. I'm not actually, I'm not connecting, there's no payroll connected to this, so I was actually kind of surprised to see the option, but I thought maybe just because we set up like the time tracking stuff, it might have worked. Projects we've done. Let's go to customers. Let's see who our top 3 customers are. Hey, Hector, you're one of my top 3 customers. Congratulations. So is customer A, customer B, other streams. Let's come back here and do it for this year. And now actually check this out. So we've got Linda's on here. And wow, look at that. So now the revenue streams are actually giving us even more details onto it. So we're actually able to see total revenues, percentage we were up since 2018 or however far back we want to look. Details, we can choose a different customer. This is really impressive. Lisa, you're in here. Hey, Ernest, let's see how you've been doing. Compare 2018 to 2019. Well done, folks. Like, this is continuously being added to. I'm really pleased to see what they've done. So again, I would definitely recommend anybody and everybody, this is a feature you really want to be paying attention to. It's come very far since it first was introduced. The new revenue streams only available through QuickBooks Online Advanced. Really neat stuff. Hope this got you excited. If you're on the fence on it, give it a try. Check it out. Leave your comments below if you've got some comments. We'd love to hear from you guys. And again, as always, here's wishing you guys a very successful week.